Mobile. As we all know, on Wednesday, Supreme Court has ordered to play national anthem in every movie theatres before screening the movies. Let's see what people think about it.
I don't think that the national anthem should be played everywhere or everything. So it's like too much of Indian thing. We are going to watch a movie, so that's for fun. That's bringing all the workload down. So and over there also you are seeing a lot of nationalism. Then that should be avoided. Extremely avoided, please.
The decision is very fantastic because nowadays whatever we are seeing in the theater, that time they are only doing the advertisement for the some like tobacco or the something basically, but that decision is more towards our the country and season basically that has to be play. It's a nice decision from my point of view.
So I totally agree with the Supreme Court decision of playing this national anthem before movie. It was done previously also, but not in all theaters, I believe. So it's a good
बहुत अच्छी
decision.
बात है कि क्या कहते हैं हिंदी और नेशनल एंथम फिल्म से पहले स्टार्ट होता है, और एक इसमें क्या कहते हैं नेगेटिव पार्ट ये भी है क्योंकि छत के नीचे नेशनल एंथम नहीं गाना चाहिए, लेकिन तब भी ये करते हैं, लेकिन अच्छा है और लोगों को इसके बारे में पता भी लगेगा कि नेशनल एंथम क्या चाहिए वैसे भी.
Okay, well, I'll think that it's not required at all. I mean, I'm an Indian, and when it comes that it is, it is a compulsion for me to, and you don't need to stand in a theater where the mood is different, and somebody asks you to stand up and, start like, give an anthem. I mean, that place, I feel that okay, you stand up for an anthem. Okay, should be specific to the place where you are at the moment. If somebody says me, okay, you are an Indian, you go to a club, and then before you start the party, you have to do the national anthem. I think it's not required.
वही जैसे लोगों के मूवी का काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्रेज़ रहता है लोगों को, है ना, तो उस हिसाब से हमारे पेट्रियोटिज्म का क्रेज़ नहीं है. शायद इस स्टेप से वो क्रेज़ आ जाए लोगों में, वो अवेयरनेस आ जाए कि हाँ नेशनल एंथम को कितना रिस्पेक्ट देना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर हम डेली एक चीज़ को करते हैं तो यूज टू होना और उसके लिए ज़्यादा सोचने का टाइम मिलेगा लोगों.
इन्होंने लिया तो अच्छा है, बट पहले भी ये प्रॉब्लम हो चुका है. अगर आप देखोगे थिएटर में लोग सीधा उठ के भागना शुरू कर देते थे. नेशनल एंथम में तो आपको अटेंशन में खड़ा होना है, वो रिस्पेक्ट खत्म हो जाती है, इंसल्ट हो जाती है. वही होगा अभी.
I think my opinion is that you can't force people to be patriotic, and anyways the patriotism is already there, and telling people to stand and showing them a flag won't make things any better. So I don't really agree with that decision, and I think that people are already patriotic.
So here's what people think about the Supreme Court's verdict. What do you think? Comment below, like and subscribe to News Mobile. This is Shilpa Sengupta signing off for News Mobile.